That's it.
Okay.
It's okay, be brave. It's in the name of science.
I'm Annie, and this is Fast Forward Girls.
Each week, one girl will go on a surprise adventure of a lifetime. She'll meet two amazing women and take a walk in their shoes with two on-the-job challenges. One of these women will become her mentor for life, but she's going to have to choose.
My sister Hayley literally has no idea what's about to go down and is blindfolded waiting to find out.
Where are we going? You're taking...
Sit right here.
Okay.
Okay, count to 100.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna take this thing off. What is this? Am I supposed to play a game? There's a map? Africa? Am I in Africa? I didn't go on a plane, or did I? I don't think I did. What do cameras and computers learning have to do with cats? The answer is not kitten YouTube videos, but does help protect their habitats. What is this supposed to mean? What is this? Is this like a clue? Binoculars. Am I supposed to be like digging something? I'm just going to explore this place. So basically, my dad brought me here. I don't know where I am. And I saw a suitcase, and I opened it, and there's all of these weird, crazy things. Let's go. Is this Jurassic Park? You're so cute. My name's Hayley.
What does the dog say?
Oh my gosh! Wait, what type of animal is this? Porcupine. You are so cute.
Are you Hayley?
Yes.
I'm Liz. I'm Liz Bondi. I'm a third-year PhD student studying computer science.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I am a grad student. I'm doing computer science, so I'm using computers to try to protect animals like this.
What's her or his name?
His name is Gus Gus.
What kind of animals do you work with?
So I'm working to protect animals like elephants and lions. I'm trying to protect them from wildlife poaching.
What's a poacher?
A poacher is someone who tries to attack animals. For example, with elephants, they're looking for their tusks. And sometimes they might even try to sell the animals into illegal pet trading.
But why would they do that? They're... Oh. So like, what helps prevent that?
So to try to protect these animals, we're flying drones to try to spot where wildlife poachers are located. I have a challenge for you. Are you up for it?
Yeah, but before we go, let's get a picture with Gus Gus.
Definitely.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Bye, Gus Gus.
Bye, Gus Gus. So this is a drone. This is what I work with. Actually, fixed wing versions of them, so more like model airplanes than the rotors.
Do you fly the drones or do you work with the drones?
I don't fly the drones. We work with an NGO in Africa who flies the drones. I get video from them, and then the technology that I developed automatically spots the poachers.
So you basically save animals' lives.
That's definitely what we're trying to do. So we can use artificial intelligence to figure out where we should be flying the drones, because national parks are humongous, which means that the park rangers don't have to watch these videos all night long like we're doing right now. So the goal is to try to ease the burden on the park rangers so they can just focus on protecting the animals. Are you ready to find a poacher?
Yeah.
So the challenge is we're gonna try to find where our poacher is on the video, and whenever we see them, we're gonna track them a little bit, and then we're gonna go after them and try to prevent them from poaching.
Yes.
Let's find them, and then we're gonna go get them.
Got it.
All right, so we can see the tortoises.
Yeah, I don't see
I
anyone.
don't see any people yet either. Do you see anyone yet? Still don't.
There's something...
Ah, yeah.
There he is!
Wow, okay. Let's track him a little bit, and then let's go get him.
He's right by the turtles. I know where that is. Let's go.
Let's go. Here you go. There's your handcuffs
Ready?
and your hat.
Okay. Here we go.
All right, let's go.
Excuse me.
Whoa.
All right, let's arrest you. All right, got him.
Okay, so he's got his handcuffs on.
Awesome, let's make him disappear. All right, nice work.
Thank you so much for having me. This is awesome.
Thanks for coming.
It's just so
Awesome.
cool how you just save animals.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hayley, hey, come with me. I'm tracking a bear.
I'm Dr Wynn-Grant. I'm a large carnivore ecologist.
I study the biology and the ecology of wild animals, like bears or lions, to save them from extinction. Bears always leave handprints, especially when there's mud. If you see anything that looks like a big palm, let me know. You always have to keep your eyes down. And I think I see one. Look, come over here. Looks like it's pretty fresh, so we're on the right track. This one is a little bit bigger than your hand, so I think our bear isn't gonna be huge. But remember, they can be up to 1,000 pounds, which is another reason why, in order to get close to them, we have to make sure they're asleep. Come on, hurry up.
Let's go.
Bear.
They're right there.
That's it.
Okay.
It's okay, be brave. It's in the name of science. Here we go. So one of the things we do is we look in the poop to see what bears have been eating. If there's a lot of seeds, that means they've been eating berries. And sometimes you'll even find bones, which means they've been eating fish. You ready?
I do have gloves.
Oh, perfect. I'll let you do the honors. Go for it.
Yeah, I love that. So, like, how often do you, like, track bears?
So I track them and make them fall asleep so I can put a GPS collar on them. And that means I can monitor them from far away, which is what we call non-invasive sampling. It's really safe for the animals. There's so much to learn about bears.
It doesn't look like there's anything in it.
It could also mean he's hungry.
I see it.
You do? You see it? Oh, look in the tranquilizer now.
How long do we have to wait?
About 3 minutes. Found it.
How long is he asleep for?
Should be asleep for about an hour, but we still need to work quickly. Looks like this bear's not tagged. I've tagged at least 50 bears in my life. I'm gonna time you. You have 1 minute to tag the bear as many times as you can. And go. You can do it, Hayley. You can do it.
Good start.
Hold the ear. And painless, just like getting your ear pierced.
Ah, got one.
Good job. Okay. Good
Got
job.
two?
This bear is going to be very visible from miles away. Good, 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 good. Okay, we're almost there. 15 seconds. Come on, Hayley. Come on, Hayley. Don't let the bear wake up. All these ear piercings. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. How many did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4 tags in 1 minute. That is amazing.
Fell off.
Clean up the evidence and get out of here before this bear wakes up. And let's go.
Hey, I had the best day.
Oh, really? What'd you do?
Well, I saw a porcupine, I arrested a poacher, and I tracked down a bear.
That's so cool.
But I have to choose one to be my mentor. There's one girl that she protected animals by seeing poachers with a drone and then arresting them. And there's another girl who tracks bears.
Those are both really awesome jobs.
What's some good advice that I should, like, how should I choose?
Well, if you're choosing a mentor, go with your gut. Go with the one that you feel most comfortable with.
I think I know who I'm gonna choose.
Great. Sounds like an amazing time.
Bye. Okay, so I have really great news. I chose you as my mentor.
Oh my gosh, I'd love to be your mentor. Please feel free to reach out anytime or stop by if you're ever in the neighborhood.
I had so much fun with you today. I love how you just save animals.
Thank you. All right, Hayley, you're the best. Talk soon. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Look at all that guacamole
Can I
flying.
touch it?
Do it. Go for it.
Oh, yes.
We're gonna try to stuff as many tacos as we can, and whoever loses gets slimed.
I'm going to win. You know that. I'm gonna win this.